Hey guys, we were doing our pro ceramic coating package on this Corvette. Josh is wet sanding some deep scratches down for our client that he was concerned about, so we're trying to improve the look on those. And then he's going into the polishing step before we apply our ceramic coating. Our pro coating is going to make cleaning 10 times easier. Bug removal is going to be extra easy. You never have to wax again, and it saves you tons of time, and you get this gloss every time by a simple hand wash and dry. If you're looking to get your vehicle in, our number is 570-221-4240. We are currently booking ceramic coatings, paint protection film, window tint, and premium auto detailing services.